Hello all, welcome to Flying Skies 1. How are you all doing? Hope you're all keeping well. To prevent from viruses and infections, carry sanitizer and wear mask while you go out. Please don't forget and maintain physical distance. This is Flying Skies 1. If any of you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Swiggy Instacart, that is recently launched by Swiggy. You all know Swiggy is for online delivery of food. This Swiggy Instacart by Swiggy is for fulfilling the customers' daily essentials and grocery needs, and delivery would be made in 30 to 35 minutes. Swiggy has launched recently Genie also. This Genie service is for delivering or receiving or picking up any lunch boxes, documents, laundry items for repair, shoes, stationery and other materials. And delivery charges would apply according to the distance. And I'll be soon giving you the review on this. Once you open the Swiggy, you'll find Instamart on the home page, and the coupons are also available. Now flat 50% on the orders you'll be getting when you go for redeeming 500 points on paytm. So if you want 50% of orders on Swiggy Instamart, go to paytm and redeem 500 points to get this coupon. And after choosing the items or the products, while you check out, you can apply the coupons that are available. And I have listed all the coupons in the description box. You can use them, and the delivery charges would vary according to your choice. If the delivery you want instantly, it would charge 30 rupees or 25 rupees according to your area. If the delivery is at later date, it charges 15 rupees. And 5 rupees would be charged if the orders are made above 99 rupees. And these are the products that I have purchased on Swiggy Instamart. This Swiggy has given a free product of instant millet pancake. Soon I'll be giving you a review on it. Just now I spoke of this Paytm coupons that are available right now in Paytm. You can redeem 500 points and use this Paytm coupon to get 50% off on all orders that you place on Swiggy. This offer is applicable till 31st of December this year. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering. I'll be listing out all the coupons that are available right now on Swiggy. You can use them while you check out and place your orders with lesser prices and discounts and coupons. In Swiggy, you have all categories. You can shop according to your wish and want. Go to the beverages section, cooking essentials, instant food, meat, personal care, home cleaning, and free delivery is available on first order. And you have a grocery bag given by Swiggy. It is good, and it would carry much of your groceries that goes into it. These are all the products that I have shopped. I have made a playlist of unboxing videos on groceries and food items. You can go click on them, watch and know more. Now JioMart offers are also available. 1+1 and 50% off prices are available. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Please share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Keep smiling.